Welcome back to K-Dog's Motorcar Doghouse. It's going to be a little different this week. I do have a Forgotten Friday, though. That's what I usually do on Fridays. Here's a 70 MPC Cuda I started. Golly, I don't know, Kelly Coons could probably tell you. At Model Car Archaeology, he can probably tell you because we all started on the same time. We was doing we had an E-body build off. I built a couple, but this is another one that I had started and started detailing it and using the MPC Challenger chassis under it. I ain't never finished it, but I probably need to. Probably a lot of these things I need to finish. A ton of them. I started putting exhaust on it. I don't remember what the wheels and tires were. Disc brakes probably Pegasus. Painted Hemi orange. Done a couple different resin hoods. I put that injected setup on it, and it raises that hood up just a little bit. So I made another hood with a taller scoop on it. Good orange trdedicated decals. I ain't seen them in a long time. That's my Forgotten Friday, kind of short. That's a MPC 70 Barracuda that's been hanging around here. I'll get back to it one day, I guess. I pulled this Buick down yesterday, started messing with it. I'm trying to get some wheels and tires under it. I got the front and rear bumpers mounted on it. That's what was giving me a hard time. That's the reason I kind of stalled it. I had wheels and tires on it, and I robbed them from on something else. But I'm gonna put some of these Z-Force US mags. I'm gonna put some of them under it. I have to do a little cutting. I have to do a little massaging to get them up under there. Pull this old Corvette out and then put a little bare metal foil is therapy for me if it works right. If it don't work right, I just get up and walk away. But I like messing with bare metal foil. I don't know why. I got the bare metal foil on my Buick. I got that bare metal foil, got it polished out. Got it polished out, got the interior and primer. Been messing with what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna stop this video, I'm gonna start another one, I'm gonna get it and walk around and show you what else I've been doing. Hang on a minute. I bought this 3D chassis. It come all broke up. Bought it off of eBay. I was pretty nice about it. He sent me a new one. I put that one back together. The roll bars are busted in about 5 pieces, and the chassis, all the bars are broke off the front of it. The way he packaged it, the intake's broke in half. You can see it laying there. Anyway, I've been messing with that. I've had my printers running all week, trying to catch up some of my wheel stock. I go to shows and sell Z-Force wheels on the four-wheel drive stuff, trying to get it, and the brake rotors. I printed me a 55 Plymouth out. Don't like the way it's grainy. I'm gonna print me another body for it. So over here, that one's empty. I just printed all the interior parts for the 55 Plymouth. I got another set of wheels that just finished printing. Another set of wheels that just finished printing. This is cleaning in alcohol. And in the meantime, while in amongst things, I've been out here in the garage. Old truck's been idling high. I've been hunting it for about a year. I finally found it, I think. I jerked a throttle body off of it. I'd had a buddy of mine rebuild it about a year ago, so I was kind of walking around that. So I finally decided to take it off. Well, I ended up tearing it down, rebuilding it, put a kit in it. But I found pressure regulator. The diaphragm got a hole in it right there. So that's what I've been doing this week. All right, guys, I just want to say, I did get me a new toy this week. Got me a new gallery. Got a Mobius TG. And I forgot to order hoses, so I got the hoses coming now. Anyway, I wanted to end the video. Yeah, I found out this week that my sister had stage 4 cancer, or she found out this Monday. But anyway, I just want to tell you, call all your family, all your close friends, tell them you love them, because you may not be able to tomorrow. All right, guys. Like K-Dog says, be happy, model on.